First-hand accounts are going to be incredible coming out of this pure devastation. Now, the big question on many people's minds, first responders in greater Cincinnati, of course, are we ready for an event like Vegas? 9 on your side's Tom McKee spent some time with emergency planners and is live in the newsroom with some answers for us. Tom?
Well, Craig, this is the Hamilton County Mass Casualty Incident Plan, and right now it's being updated to cover the Cincinnati, Hamilton County, and all adjacent counties in Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. Now, that's very crucial given the events we've seen in Las Vegas.
We just thought we were going to die. I thought the shooting would never end.
Chaos in Las Vegas at an outdoor concert.
And everyone's telling us to run as fast as you can.
Bullets rain down on unsuspecting patrons. Tom Laycamp's mind immediately swings into emergency mode. He's a district chief with the Cincinnati Fire Department in charge of emergency planning.
What would I be doing? How would I be responding? Where would I be going?
Glendale Fire Chief Kevin Hardwick is taking all that into account. He's writing the updated plan for the Hamilton County Fire Chiefs Association.
You try to prepare as best you can. It's with the training, it's with practices and drills.
Coordination is mandatory in any mass casualty situation.
It's big numbers of people. It's how do you transport the people? How do you triage the people? Getting the resources in on the scene where you need them as quick as you need them to get those people out.
We have 5 levels on that mass casualty plan where we can assemble up to 80 medical transport units from all over the tri-state.
Nothing is left to chance when it comes to protecting the public.
We just did a drill at the airport last month where it's simulated, 108 people that were injured. And that's how you keep fluent with it, you keep up to date.
We try to prepare globally for, to fit every event. And then it has to be a coordinated effort between the emergency services and law enforcement.
Now, the deadline to finish work on revising the plan is the end of October. That's just a few short weeks away. Now, coming up new at 6, the medical network here double checks also what it's doing to keep you safe. Craig, Tanya?